From the Millersville University Weather Center, I'm meteorologist Kyle Elliott here with the medium range forecast and video discussion issued on Monday, August 4th. Well, the good news looking forward into the end of the week and the upcoming weekend is that the beautiful, sunny, and dry weather that's with us early this week is not going anywhere anytime soon. In fact, you really couldn't ask for a nicer first 7 to 10 days of August. So without further ado, let me start by taking a look at the Canadian model for 2 p.m. on Thursday, and you'll notice this large sprawling high pressure system of Canadian origin that was located over southeastern Canada and northern New England through the middle of the week is going to gradually sag southward into southern New England and ultimately move off the southern New England coastline late this week. The European and the Canadian models are both in good agreement, showing that high pressure system just off the New England coastline by the end of the week. Now, despite east to southeasterly flow on its southern and southwestern flanks, it's going to remain locked in place, and the air mass associated with it is going to be relatively dry. So I do think any moisture that's associated with this tropical air mass will remain farther south, essentially from central Virginia, point southward into the Carolinas. That's essentially where your tropical air mass is going to be. North of northern Virginia and the southern mid-Atlantic states, well, this air mass, again, is of Canadian origin, so it's going to be rather dry, and that should promote partly to mostly sunny skies, not only through the end of the week, but also during the upcoming weekend. You'll notice the Canadian model still shows that high pressure system largely in control of the weather across the northeastern and the mid-Atlantic states. The European model does show that tropical moisture creeping a little bit farther north than the Canadian, but either way you slice it, both models are bone dry through Saturday night into Sunday. Maybe a stray shower sneaks back into southeastern PA Sunday afternoon, but right now I'm kind of leaning toward a dry forecast right through the end of the week and the upcoming weekend. So it really looks like a great week for outdoor activities. Beautiful weather this upcoming weekend. High temperatures essentially every afternoon are going to be in the low to mid 80s with overnight lows in the 60s. So as far as the medium range campus weather service forecast is concerned, partly sunny and pleasant on Thursday with a high of 84. Mostly sunny and quite nice on Friday with a high again near 84. And still partly to mostly sunny both Saturday and Sunday with highs in the mid 80s. There could be a chance again for a shower later Sunday afternoon, but by and large the weather looks spectacular for outdoor activities, and overnights will be comfortable for sleeping with the windows wide open. Well, that'll do it for this edition of the Medium Range Forecast video. Tune back in 2 weeks for the latest edition. Until then, enjoy the beautiful, dry, and sunny weather out there through the first 7 to 10 days of August.